Hi, the next challenge is visual firewall thinger. So it's also one of the thingers, and just like the previous one, you can cheat in this one too. So the challenge is just like any other challenge in Act 1. It's just going to be one snowflake. So the easiest difficulty level. I would need to talk to ClisLG in the NetWars room to teach us about like firewall stuff. And Chris is going to introduce himself, explain the challenge, and just like the previous one, when you click on the visual firewall thingy, you will have this application. Nice little snowflakes and falling presents. Okay, and Christmas trees, whatever. And you need to properly configure the access to these different zones on the firewall. So internet and DMZ, you need to enable between the two HTTP, HTTPS traffic. So you would just select the protocols, save the results, and if you got it right, then it greens out that task for you. DMZ to internal is the next one. HTTP, HTTPS, and SH. Easy peasy. Let's just do that one too. And I'm going to use a different account this time for the unintended way of solving the challenge. Let me just look at my notes to make sure that I'm not making any mistakes. Then internal to cloud, connection to cloud services. This requires us HTTP, I cannot see, SMTP on top of the previous ones, basically. Not SMB, HTTP, SH, HTTPS, and SMTP, save the rules, and that's one before the last one. And internal workstation, I can just click on the workstation one, is going to be allow all traffic. So save, and that's it. You complete the challenge. You get the achievement, you talk to Chris, and that's the normal intended way of solving the challenge. If you are looking for an extra challenge here, you can also, and I'm going to change to this account here, go through the same steps as before for the beginning, but now, instead of actually solving the challenge here, you can open developer tools, sources, and check the JavaScript code. And in main.js, we should have a function called send victory notification. Try to search for this one. If that's not the one, then content unavailable. There we go. Then it's in the main page. So send victory notification, if all completed, is going to be invoked. Another send victory notification, we can see that it's fetching /victory, so it's sending a request, and then gets the response, and here's the victory response. So if I want to be absolutely super duper lazy, let me just clear this one here. And pasting is allowed. That's excellent. I don't need to type in allow paste. So we can simplify this one and just say, we don't need this, console log, print the message that we're getting to the console log, and then just go and send a response in JSON format to the console log when we fetch victory. Okay, and we see victory recorded. Yeah, we haven't solved anything, but we have the achievement unlocked. Okay, so that is the unintended sort of alternative way of solving the challenge. Again, this is probably there for people who are more skilled and they just want to find a more entertaining and fun way, but this is also a nice little challenge for beginners who would like to see how firewall configuration kind of looks like on a graphical representation, although some firewall interfaces are kind of similar to this one. Okay, let's see the next challenge.